Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Dots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for second class children. Already I revised 7 lessons. Today I am revising its celebration time. It's celebration time. Every day we are doing our normal works, domestic works, and we are going to school and we are coming and your parents are going to offices and fields like that. But after some time they feel very bored. That's why they want some fun and celebration. They want some fun and celebration. That is called a festival. A festival. A festival is a time for celebration. A festival is a time for celebration. A festival is a time for celebration. Celebration, a day or period. ఒక 3 days కానీ ఒక 1 day కానీ మనం ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ కోసం సెలబ్రేషన్ చేసుకునే దాన్ని దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫెస్టివల్, పండుగ అని పిలుస్తారు. ఆన్ దీస్ డేస్ పీపుల్ ఈట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫుడ్. దే వోంట్ ఈట్ నార్మల్ ఫుడ్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ డే. దే వోంట్ వేర్ నార్మల్ డ్రెస్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ డే. దే వేర్ న్యూ క్లోత్స్ and they dance and they go to temples or churches and they visit their relatives. చుట్టాలు వెళ్ళకపోవడం కానీ, చర్చిలకు వెళ్ళడం కానీ, మాస్క్స్కి వెళ్ళడం కానీ, లేకపోతే ఇంకా గుళ్ళకి వెళ్ళడం కానీ, అక్కడ పాటలు పాడడం, డ్యాన్స్ చేయడం, ఇంకా కొత్త వంటకాలు తినడం, కొత్త రకాల బట్టలు వేసుకోవడం చేస్తారు. ఇల్లంతా శుభ్రం చేసుకుంటారు. దే వేర్ న్యూ క్లోత్స్ అండ్ డెకరేట్ దేర్ హోమ్స్ and they meet their neighbors and greet with each other. This is about festival. What is the meaning of festival? A day or period which is meant for enjoyment, which is celebrated. ఏదైతే మన ఆనందం కోసం, మన ఉత్సాహం కోసం, మన సంతోషం ఉండటం కోసం ఒక రోజును కానీ, ఒక 3 రోజుల వ్యవధిని కానీ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడాన్ని ఫెస్టివల్ అంటారు. రోజుట్లాగే నార్మల్గా ఉండదు ఫెస్టివల్. ఫెస్టివల్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ డేస్, అదర్ డేస్. We eat different food, we wear new clothes, we decorate our houses, we clean our house, and we go to relatives' houses, we greet them, we enjoy with them, we dance, we sing, and we go to places of worship like temples, mosques and churches. Temples, mosques and churches. Festivals are of 2 types. One is religious festivals. One is religious and second one is national festival. National festivals. Festivals are of 2 types. One is religious festival and second one is national festival. National festival. Okay. Religious festivals are celebrated. Religious. See, now I am going to say about religious festivals. Today I am going to say about religious festivals. First one is Independence Day. First national festival is Independence Day. Independence Day. Children, what is the difference between religious and national? Religious means మత సంబంధమైన పండుగ. ఏ మతం వాళ్ళు ఆ మతం యొక్క పండుగే జరుపుకుంటారు. క్రిస్టియన్ పండుగలు, హిందువుల పండుగలు, సిక్కుల పండుగలు, ముస్లిమ్స్ ఇస్లాం పండుగలు జరుపుకుంటారు. అంతేగాని నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్ మీన్స్ దేశం మొత్తం ప్రజలు కులాలు మతాలతో సంబంధం లేకుండా జరుపుకునే పండుగలని నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అని పిలుస్తారు. నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఆర్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్ బై ద పీపుల్ త్రూ ఓవర్ ద కంట్రీ, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద కంట్రీ. దేశం మొత్తం జరుపుకుంటారు, జాతి మత కులాలతోటి సంబంధం లేకుండా. The first one is Independence Day. What is the first one? Independence Day. It is celebrated on August 15th. August 15th. Every year it is celebrated on August 15th. Up to 1947, British ruled our country. They put many difficulties to Indians. Indians faced a lot of difficulties with Britishers. After doing so many years of fighting with them, so many movements and so many freedom fighters are fought on Britishers. Later than we got independence in 1947. We got independence in 1947. We got freedom from Britishers. Then onwards we started ruling our country ourselves. So this is called Independence Day. So we are celebrating Independence Day on August 15th every year. What we are doing on that day? We are hoisting the flag. We are singing the national anthem and national songs, and our teachers are giving valuable messages to us, and we are listening them. We are trying to follow them, and they are distributing sweets. They are saying moral values to us. And not only that, the New Delhi, that is the capital of India, our President of India, Ramnath Kovind, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, both are giving their valuable messages, and they are celebrating the national festival Independence Day in the grand way. Okay children, this is about Independence Day. స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం మన బ్రిటిషర్స్ నుంచి మనం స్వాతంత్రం తెచ్చుకున్న రోజు. ఆ డేని మనం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఆ పండుగని మనం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ రిపబ్లిక్ డే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ వన్? Republic Day. It is celebrated on January 26th. It is celebrated on January 26th every year. Even though we got independence in 1947, August 15th, we didn't know how to rule our country ourselves. ఎలా దేశం ఉండాలి, ఎలాగ ప్రధానమంత్రి ఉండాలి, ఎలా స్టేట్స్ ఉండాలి, ఎలా ప్రజల్ని కష్టాలు లేకుండా పరిపాలించుకోవాలి, ఇవన్నీ మనకు తెలియదు. After 1947, our freedom fighters and leaders worked for nearly 2.5 years, and they wrote a constitution. రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రచించారు. డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్. నౌ we are seeing the serial అంబేద్కర్ ఇన్ జీ తెలుగులో సీరియల్ వస్తుంది. సాయంత్రం 6 గంటలకు సీరియల్ వస్తుంది జీ తెలుగులో. అంబేద్కర్ చూడండి. అంబేద్కర్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ని రచించడానికి ఉన్న సభకు ఆయన అధ్యక్షుడు. ఆయన ఎన్నో దేశాలు తిరిగి మన రాజ్యాంగం ఇలా ఉంటే భారతదేశం డెవలప్ అవుతుందని ఆ రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రచించారు. ఆ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ అమల్లోకి వచ్చిన రోజు January 26th. ఫ్రమ్ 1950 onwards. Then also our president and our prime minister hoist the flag in New Delhi, in Rashtrapati Bhavan and Red Fort, and they hoist the flag, but they see the military organization. Okay, this is about Republic Day. Then also we are hoisting the flag in our schools, and we are listening the moral values and valuable messages from our teachers. Okay, next one, third one, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated every year on October 2nd. October 2nd is our national festival. It is celebrated on Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd to remember Gandhi. Who is Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was the freedom fighter. He had done a lot of things to get freedom from Britishers. He only the main pillar of freedom movement. Every Indian used to call him Babu. Babu means father. ఆ రోజు ఆయన గుర్తు చేసుకోవడానికి మనం ఆయన పుట్టినరోజుని జరుపుకుంటాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ more one is there. Fourth one is there. September 5th. This is Teachers Day. Write in your homework notebook, children. Teachers Day. This is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. To remember Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's services to our country. He was the teacher, great teacher. He taught many useful things to the students. After then he appointed as the President of India. Now our President of India is Ramnath Kovind. Like he appointed as the President of India. To remember his services, we are celebrating September 5th as the Teachers Day. And next one, fifth one, November 14th. November 14th is Children's Day. It is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He loved children very much. He had done lot of things to the country, and he was a very lovable person. So to remember his services, we are celebrating November 14th 14th as the Children's Day. As the Children's Day. These are our main national festivals. Main national festivals. Write in your homework notebook, children, and write one essay what you have done and what you would do on these national festivals. What is meant by festival? A period of time or a period of days which is useful for the celebration or enjoyment, which is celebrated for our enjoyment. Festival is not the normal day. It is not like normal day. We decorate, clean our houses, decorate our houses. We wear different clothes, new clothes, and we make sweets. We eat sweets or different food items, and we go to relatives' houses and we enjoy with them. We enjoy with them. This is about festival. Festivals are of two types. One is religious and second one is national. I told about national festivals. National festival is celebrated all over the country. Not one caste or not one religion or not one region. It is celebrated. It is celebrated every Indian. Okay, children. Bye.